Hi, thank you for being here for this interview here in Glastonbury, UK. So, Mr. Snow, I understand you have a little bit more to say today than just wishing us a happy solstice. Yes, I'll start by saying I'm here today to talk to the young at heart adults amongst you. Many of you may be wondering why all the sudden snowy winters in the UK. Well, there are a number of things that have caused this. Firstly, the vast amount of oil that is now sitting on the seabed in the Gulf of Mexico has greatly sadly slowed up the Gulf Stream. The Gulf of Mexico area is actually the important energy thrust for the Gulf Stream. This is the Earth's central heating system, as it were. It usually protects us from the icy blast from Russia. This stream was already starting to slow and is actually 10% colder than in 2009. Did you know that Moscow is just as close to the North Pole as England is? No, actually I didn't, Mr. Snow. Well, yes, that is basically why we must prepare ourselves for, much colder winters from now on. What I'm about to tell you next may shock you, but I've heard from my ancestors, the ice cores, that our Earth has experienced ice ages or mini-ice ages many times in her past. The physicist Dr. Paul Violette has informed me that we are now overdue for another possibly mini-ice age, so get those snow boots on, folks. My advice to you all is to get out on YouTube and listen to the interview entitled "Urgent Gulf Stream is Gone, Britain Heading for Russian Winter." You could also ring up your water board and ask them if they have prepared for your underground water pipes for potential freezing or bursting, as they are buried only 24 inches into the earth compared to Russia's pipes, which are 7 to 8 feet deep and very safe from cold temperatures. Now, speaking radically, I'd also like to advise you to listen to Dr. Paul Laviolette's superwave theory on YouTube, where he describes how he has measured energies of gamma rays, X-rays, cosmic rays, electrons and gravity waves travelling towards us at the speed of light. This is causing the sun to give us increased solar flare activity, which contributes to polar ice melting. The 26,000-year-old ice core samples from Antarctica and Greenland measured a substance called beryllium-10, which is a radioactive element that is produced in the atmosphere caused by cosmic rays. This radiation spike has indicated major cooling of the climate in the past, that these lead to mini ice ages. Interestingly, this correlates to the 26,000-year cycle the Mayan calendar speaks about, and the 2012 phenomena, the beginning of a new cycle in our planet's journey. I'd like to add that I feel it's no coincidence that we are aligning with the centre of the galaxy at the 21st of December 2012, and that these particle superwaves are apparently coming from the centre of our galaxy. But my message to you is not to be alarmed, but trust in the natural cycle of our evolution. Many of you are waking up in this time and are ripe for an evolution on the consciousness of humanity. We are all connected, snow people and humans of Earth alike. These climatic changes are catalyzing a spiritual shift in us. If you would just believe that these superwave particles will shift us into our new spiritual reality, then so shall it be. These are the truths from quantum physics. Well, thank you for your time, Mr. Snow, and you're very welcome. May peace and joy be with you. Oh, and happy winter solstice to you all. And if you have any questions for Mr. Snow, he'd be happy to answer them for you. Happy winter solstice.